Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make video footage darker in Premiere Pro. Once you have your video on the timeline, let's go to Effects and search for Lumetri Color. Let's drag this effect to our video clip and let's go to Effect Controls. Scroll down, and once you see the Lumetri Color effect, let's expand the basic correction section. Scroll down, and what we're going to do is to adjust some of these values. First, we can try reducing the shadows here to maybe around -50 and the blacks to a -50 as well. After that, if you still want the video to be a bit darker, we can also reduce the exposure a bit to, for example, -1. And you can basically just adjust and play around these values until you have your desired effect to darken your video footage. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.